how to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money by promoting affiliate links on pinterest.com. So basically what you will need for this method is you need to create an Amazon Associates account. So type in amazonassociates.com and then you will be able to create an account which will give you this bar right here where you can take your links, your affiliate links, and then you will need to create a Pinterest account also. So we will use Pinterest to promote the links that we will get from amazon.com. So for Pinterest we're going to choose a niche. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you can just scroll down and choose the niche that you're interested in, and for me I'm going to choose this niche, and we will hit search and we will see a lot of posts about this niche. And what we will need to do is just take ideas from the viral posts and go to canva.com and create our own post, or go to TikTok and choose one of the viral videos that is related to the niche and upload it to our Pinterest and add the affiliate link of our product that we're going to choose from amazon.com, which is of course related to our niche, and leave that link on our post. So there is an easy method which is copying the other posts like this, just taking the post and take the picture and title and description and all of that and re-uploading it, but that is very risky guys. I don't advise you to do that. Your account will be deactivated in 3 days or 4 days maximum. So I'm just going to do that method for this video just to show you the example of the method. So after typing the niche, we'll scroll down and see the viral posts and take ideas from these posts, but for me I'm going to take the post and re-upload it. Again, I don't advise you to do that. This is just an example. So I'm going to take this one and download the image and then hit create and click on create idea pin. Then you go to this page and you drop your picture right here. This is your picture, and here you have to add a title for the post, description, and here you leave your affiliate link, and right here you need to add tags. So basically tags help the post show on the home feed of the platform and helps you reach a new audience or a very good amount of audience. So tags is very important in this method. So let's go and take the title from the previous post. Let's take this title, copy, and let's leave it right here, paste. Then let's go to the description. Let's take this description and let's leave it right here, and then we proceed to the link. So we go to amazon.com and we search for products that are related to the niche that we choose, which is education and online learning. So let's type in our niche and let's hit search. So here we have a lot of books. So let's go to sort by and let's choose bestsellers, and here we can see all the best sellers in this niche. So we're not going to choose this one, it's very old, 2017. So let's search for something from 2021 or 2023 like this one, and it has a very good price, which will leave us a very good commission. So here we have $36 for the paperback, $35 for the Kindle, and $170 for the hardcover. So let's choose this one. We click on it and we wait for it to be uploaded, and there we can take the link. So here we take this link, and this is the link we're going to leave on our post. So we add our link right here, and then we proceed to the next step, which is adding tags. So let's go with education quotes, and let's add as much tags as we can find. Physical education books. So let's choose as much tags as we can find. Education music, classical education games, knowledge, interesting facts. So I think you get the idea, guys. You just choose as much tags as you can find. It's not limited. Just keep in mind the things that I already said. Don't take other people's posts. Make sure to create your own post, and also make sure to choose as much tags as you can find. And for this method to work for you properly, and if you want to make money from this method, you need to take it seriously, and you need to upload from 10 to 20 posts each day, and those 20 posts, just stick for one niche for those posts. Don't jump from niche to niche, because that is very bad for your account and for your account's reach and for your audience. You can't just mix a lot of niches in one account. If you want to work on various niches, create multiple accounts, and for every account work on specific niche. So after finishing all these steps, you click on publish, and your post will be published in seconds. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you get the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.